still have not seen them. I've seen signs on them, but I've never actually seen them. And I told Kyle one of these days I'm going to drag a stake behind the car.
Highlights from our day at the Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge in San Antonio, New Mexico, with my daughter Samantha and traveling companion Cassandra. What if a mountain lion was to dash out in front of you?
That would be so freaking exciting. You have no idea. Chasing booklet.
Sam, feel free to not read and drive. So there's an audio tour and a booklet that goes along with it.
That'll tell you.
Okay.
Tell you about it. Let's see here. So we're right here. We have the option of cutting across right there, or we can loop around the back. Potentially, if you're going to see mountain lions, they tend to be right here.
So that would be looping around the back.
Yeah. I still have never seen a mountain lion, which makes me super, super sad. But if you're going to see them, this is where you're going to see them.
How do you know?
Because that's...
If you've never seen them.
That's what all the rangers tell me, and I trust the
How long
rangers.
did you volunteer here?
4 to 6 months.
So, a while.
And then we'd always see it in the little booklet where people would see the freaking mountain lions, and I never see the mountain lions.
Do you want to try to go see a mountain lion?
I like spend my life trying to see mountain lions.
But
Oh, I don't care.
Okay.
I'm cool with anything you say.
Let's try the mountain lions. No, you are in mountain country. Things you need to know. Don't run if you see a lion. Face the lion and slowly back away. Do not run or play dead. Leave room for the lion to escape. Not a problem. Do not approach. Again, not a problem. Make noise. Make yourself appear larger. If a lion attacks, fight back hard. I think I got some of those nailed.
Yeah.
Okay.
What did it say to do if it attacked you?
You want to bite back.
And we have turkeys.
And
a baby turkey.
And mosquitoes.
Those are adorable. The deer.
Oh, okay, so we have mule deer here as opposed to white-tailed deer. So the deer here tend to be a bit bigger, a bit stockier. They look more like mules than white-tailed deer. They also have bigger ears for better blood circulation to keep them cooler. And they also don't have the distinctive white tail.
I'm trying to get a video of a beaver.
He's in the water, but you can see the plants moving.
I lost him. There are some cranes back there behind the bushes. We saw several of them. The only thing is they're hidden behind the bushes.
There's an opening right around here. We'll cut around.
I'm just gonna hold this out the window. And if you would stop, that'd be great. I'll try to get a photo. This is a seasonal tour road. We're going to go see more bosque.
They're not native to this area, they're invasive.
That may be the only bobcat we see on this trip. What we're driving through now is a large population of dragonflies. There are some birds. Bird watching is a big deal in the Bosque. You're on a seasonal road near dusk.
I can see.
Can you just hold that out your window for a second? We didn't see a single mountain lion, but we did have a good time. Have you been to the Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge? If so, let me know in the comments section down below. Do you like national wildlife refuges like this? If so, let me know that too. Don't forget to like this channel if you like it, and be sure to click the subscribe button before you go. And contrary to what was mentioned, no stakes or mountain lions were harmed in the making of this video of the Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge.